Started off changing my water pump. I've sent it away, but I haven't had it back yet. So it's the weekend, so I'll carry on with replacing this engine mount, which looks to be collapsed. And of course, I'm going to be changing that one as well. I've slackened this one off on the top and the bottom, but the top one is spinning because it's lost the compound that it was glued to or whatever to the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a hole there, hopefully, if I can get in there, and put a self-tapping screw in there to capture it, to hold it so I can get the nut off, and then sort that one out. I've got an engine hoist, which I'll be picking it up, hopefully. I didn't want to put any blocks under the sump or anything like that. So it'll be an engine hoist with some strops, and hopefully we can get them done. Right, I've got that off. I did have to drill a hole. It was awkward. I snapped the drill. I put the drill stud back in then, and it came off easily. So it's only the bottom one now, and I've had to cannibalize the spanner because there's not much room underneath. Right, they're in with a bit of a jiggly pokery. Both sides. This one seems to be more weight on the engine because this rubber here is ballooned a bit, whereas this one is just the same. But anyway, they're in. It wasn't, I can't say it was hard, but it wasn't easy either, especially when these nuts on the back there were, you had to turn it and turn it, but it went in all right. Job done. This is what I used, my engine hoist and a strop. I put the strop at the bottom of the timing chain and up through the top, and it lifted up no problem. I took the air filter off, and I used my little coaxer here, because although it lined it up, I didn't want to drop it down in case I crushed the threads, so I just had to leave it a bit to come over.